Hey everybody, I'm Bob and welcome to Rereadable. And Rereadable is a verb. It's a verb. A book is either rereadable or not rereadable. Or no, it's a false dichotomy. Books are, it's like saying I don't know, there's a lot of false dichotomies out there. You don't have to be one or the other, sometimes you're not really even defined by that. But so rereadable is those books on your bookshelf that you go back to time and time again. And I have a lot of them, and they're always there. And I like to think of a bookshelf is kind of like a daytime campfire. You go to your bookshelf to kind of warm your hands, and you can hear the crackle in your heart, and you pick up a book and you thumb through it. Maybe you pick up one and you read the whole thing back. I mean, there's some books I've read back to front over and over again, others just references, but they're all rereadable and they're all forgotten about. That's what the thing, the smartphone just stole things from us, and we need to reclaim them back and, restake the ground when it comes to the bookshelf. So there's nothing better or more uplifting or more enlightening than a bookshelf, and that's what Rereadable is all about. And it's all about it being a verb. It's not a noun. Oh, the book goes on the bookshelf, and I read that one, so I'm not going to read it again. No, it's rereadable. That's the verb, and you got to be rereading it for it to be rereadable. But most of all, it's just rereadable worthy, and that's what Rereadable is all about. So I'm going to be going through my bookshelf, professional, bookshelf, and kind of personal. There's just certain works of fiction I've read, and then nonfiction too. So they're all, what is a rereadable? I don't know what makes a book rereadable, so it'll be fun to explore. So thanks for tuning in, and looking forward to talking about the first book. In the meanwhile, check out what Mr. Bookshelf has to say on his blog, and let me tell you, he is just a font of wisdom. So you're going to want to check into Mr. Bookshelf below. His blog is called Me, My Shelf, and I. All right, thanks for tuning in. Go grab a book. Go grab a rereadable.